Good morning, traders. Interesting week is starting. As we see here in the calendar, we have Canada CPI tomorrow, RBA meetings, and of course, the big event is Wednesday FOMC meeting. Very big event, the biggest of this week. Also, UK CPI. Bank of England meeting on Thursday, another big milestone, special for the cable, and some PMIs in UK and Europe and the US on Friday. Let's see markets now. Of course, we start with EURUSD. What to say here? Nothing has changed pretty much, the same pattern, lower lows, lower highs. So the big event, the big level to watch is 107.65. I know it's 100 pips higher, but as long as euro stays below this level, the trend is to the downside. The first indication of something is changing would be a close above 107.30, 47. It was the high of Lagarde ECB event last week. And for the short term, I would like to see a closing above 106.90. So this will trigger the move towards the highs, and here is gonna be the battle. In the event that euro manages to close above here, we will have a shift in the trend, and I believe we're gonna see 108, 109 pretty soon. But there is a lot of space, a lot of distance, 100 pips. Maybe we see this after FOMC. I don't see anything moving market before. So until Wednesday, I don't believe we are gonna have big things here. The trend is for another test to the downside. If we go to daily chart, we see the importance of this level 106.30 highlighted in previous analysis. Okay, so let's pass to cable. It is testing currently big support areas. 123 50-60 is big level, and this can go even towards 1520 below. Let's go to the 4 hours chart. Okay, again same motive, lower lows, lower highs, but we see this contraction here. This wedge is ready to explode. I would like to see an attempt higher first to take some stops, and then reverse lower to test 123 lows, 10-15 I mean. Okay, if we dig some deeper, we see the first important level is 124.6. It was the high this morning during the Asian session. Okay, but to be honest, I don't see this coming above 124.50, this area here. Also moving average is coming, and confluence of resistance. Anyway, like euro, until Fed event, FOMC event, we won't have any big moves. And this is the case for pretty much all the dollar crosses. Okay, with the exception of the yen. I said here that we have some verbal interventions. Also, there is Bank of Japan meeting on Friday, and we are testing strong resistance here. I don't know what will happen if we break higher, but depending on the Fed on Wednesday, we might see some retrace, but this is very bullish chart. I don't know, maybe we need something bigger than verbal reservation from Bank of Japan this Friday. We will see. I would a little bit different case, trying to make a base. We didn't have a lower low here, we see, so this kind of shifted a little bit the trend here from bearish to sideways, so things are easy here as long as we remain in the range 63, 60, 65, 30, 40. The trend is sideways with a bearish bias. We need to see a break above here, 65. Let me put it in the chart. 65.25 to see some shift in the trend. USD CAD, very interesting. We highlighted last Friday the importance of 34.90, 35 support. Currently we are testing and we are spending time near here, so I suspect markets would favor a break lower, but even in that case there are plenty of support areas. I'm not gonna mention it yet because so far this support holding. Of course there is a big level at 134 and a little bit lower, 33.80, 90. It's the same case like here. Every 100 pips there is a big support area. Okay, so moves of 50, 100 pips cannot be too unrealistic to expect if this support breaks. Of course DXY keeps trending higher. Reminds me a little bit of euro. Of course it's 56% of a euro, that's why, but we have had some minor consolidation here, tight range, and even if we see another dip to test this support area, plenty of buyers will appear. The odds are for a move to the upside. This means of course that euro will have another move lower. Anyway, it's pretty much the same. It's all about the dollar, so Fed is gonna rock the markets for sure. Okay, so take your time until Wednesday. Don't open a lot of positions, big positions I mean. You can test everything with very small lots. Okay, let's see indices. Very controversial here. Everyone, even S&P, waiting for Fed. From the technical side, we are trying to break higher above 45.40, which is the big resistance area. Big support at 44.35, a few pips, a few dollars lower. I believe this range will hold until the Fed. Okay, let's go to gold, that I know everybody waiting. What to say here? Consolidating, trading almost sideways in very tight range, in $15-20 range. Of course we took a call here in the lows last week that gave us quickly $25-30. This is 230, 300 pips in gold trading, and case here is easy. As long as we remain below 1930, this is the big support area. We favor another correction lower, but if we break above 1931, 32, I believe we are gonna see a steep acceleration towards 1950 area, this area here. We have this bullish leg, so every correction towards 15-16 should be bought in the short term, I believe. Okay, let's have a quick look at oil. What to say here? Keeps trending higher, approaching this high of $93. I believe we are gonna have some correction when we hit here, but until then, anyway, I don't trade oil, but of course I'm looking on it. I rarely trade the oil, and of course I know you like it. Last call BTC. I believe we are gonna have a run here towards 29,000. We see that we are pressing this range. We are trading above, spending time here, so above 26,900 is gonna fuel the move towards 28 at least. To the downside, of course, 25, 300, 400, this area here will provide support for another time. That's all, guys. Stay strong. We are gonna have more updates in the Twitter feed and of course before Fed event.